Have you ever wanted to share your WhatsApp without giving out your phone number? Good news.
WhatsApp is rolling out a massive new update. You can now hide your phone number behind a unique username. Let's check it out.
Open WhatsApp on your Android or iPhone. Tap on the Settings tab. On Android, tap the three-dot menu and select Settings. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom right. Tap on your profile name or profile picture at the top of the screen. If the feature is available, you'll see a username option. Create your username 110-2. Enter the username you'd like to use. Instead of sharing your phone number, you can share your username with others, where this feature is supported. This adds an extra layer of privacy and makes it easier for people to connect with you. If you don't see the username option, update WhatsApp from your App Store. Restart the app. Wait for the feature to roll out to your account. Join the beta program if it's available in your region.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more great content. And don't forget to ring that bell.